Hello children, how are you? This is Kameshwari. Welcome to lecture classes. Children, in our solar system you have 8 planets. But we live in on the earth. Why? What are the reasons for this question? If you want the answer of this question, let us listen my lesson The Earth in the Solar System. Children, see this picture. The earth, how wonderful picture it is. Number of stars and moon shines very brightly. After the sunset, only one or two stars shines brightly. Within a few minutes, the number increasing. The whole sky is filled with stars. Some are bright, some are dim. Children, do you know what is the meaning of the word star? Star. It is a celestial body which have their own heat and light. Here I gave one example, that is the sun. Yes, sun is a star. Countless stars in the sky in the night are similar to the sun, but we not feel their heat and light because they are too far for us. That is the main reason. Here I gave the example sun. Sun is the nearest star to us. While you are watching the sky, you notice some stars of designs are formed by you. Those stars of designs are called constellations. Here I draw one Saptarushi star's design. Observe this picture carefully. Saptarushi, it is one of the constellation. Sapta means 7, Rishi means says. 7 stars designed like this. Children, I have drawn one line. It's pointed to the pole star. That is the pole star. That is the pole star indicates the north direction. Children, did you know one point here? Ancient time, people used to calculate the directions with the help of stars. Suppose you will take the star pole star. Pole star shines in the north direction. If you know one direction, automatically you have find out remaining 3 directions. That is the star pole star. What is the meaning of pole star is the star which always shines over the north pole and does not change its position is known as the pole star. Children, what else in this picture? The stars, constellation, pole star are completed. Yes, moon. What is the moon? Moon is the round object that moves in the sky around the earth. It can be seen at night. It is the satellite of our earth. Children, here I shown one picture to you. In this picture, the moon changes its shape day by day. Sometimes the moon appears to you like a ball. Sometimes it does not come in the sky. In which day the moon appears to you like a ball, that is called a full moon day. Which day it does not come to the sky, that day is called new moon day. Every month you can see one new moon day and one full moon day. I want to say some more about the moon. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to earth. It does not have conditions for life. It is a satellite of earth. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of satellite? All the satellites which are revolves around the planets, those are called the satellites. Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 21st July 1969. Next. Now let us come to the solar system. What is the meaning of solar system? The celestial bodies consisting the sun, its planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids and dust particles form the solar system. Children, I want to explain the each and every word in this sentence. The sun. The sun is the heart of the solar system. It is in the center part of the solar system. It holds the planets in the solar system on its orbit. All the planets revolve around the sun in one fixed path. That path name is orbit. The shape of the orbit is elongated, like an egg shape. Next, it is the ultimate source of the heat and light. It is made up of extremely hot gases. The sun is about 150 million kilometers from the earth. That is about our sun. Next, in our solar system you have 8 planets. What is meant by planet? Planets are heavenly bodies which revolve around the sun and do not have their own heat and light. That's why these are all planets revolves around the sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. One easy way to memorize to the names of the planets distance from the sun is: my very efficient mother just served us nuts. In this sentence, every word first letter indicates you one planet name. Suppose here M. M means Mercury, B for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus and N for Neptune. Next, let us discuss one by one planets. The first planet in our solar system is the Mercury. The Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun and it is the smallest planet in our solar system. It takes 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. See children, how is this planet? It is black in color. Why? What is the reason? It is too nearer to our sun. Next planet is the Venus. It is the second nearest planet to the sun. It is also known as morning star and evening star. What is the specialty of this Venus planet is it rotates of its orbit clockwise direction. It is also known as Earth twin planet. Why it is called Earth twin planet is its shape and size very much similar to the Earth. That is about our Venus planet. After that, our Earth. Yes, we are all living on this Earth. The Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. It is a unique planet. So many specialties it has. That's why it is unique planet. What are those specialties? Here, 1/3 of the surface is covered by the water. That's why it is also known as blue planet also. The conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on this earth. If you want to live happily on this earth, first you want two things: water and air. These two are essential for humans. So these two are available in our earth. Next planet is the Mars. The Mars is the second smallest planet and it stands on fourth place in our solar system. It appears in red in color. In this reason, you will say that red planet. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Next one is Saturn. It is the second largest planet and it stands on sixth place in our solar system. It has rings. So it appears to you beautifully. That's why we call it is a beautiful planet. The next planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet and fourth largest planet in the solar system. It appears you blue in color. The last planet is Neptune. It is the farthest planet and the coolest planet in the solar system. Why it is coolest planet? The reason is it is too far to our sun. Children, have you understood about these all are planets? Next, some of the keywords are there. I will explain those all are keywords. Listen carefully. Satellite. The heavenly bodies which revolves around their planets and do not have their own heat and light. Those are all called satellite. What is the another name of satellite is moon. Next one, asteroids. The heavenly bodies found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Some of the heavenly bodies revolves around the sun between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. That is, those are called the asteroids. Meteoroids means some pieces of rocks which revolve around the sun are called meteoroids. Galaxy. The huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases that is called the galaxy. Such type of galaxies are formed together universe. So children, our earth is in our solar system. Our solar system is in galaxy. Our galaxy name is Milky Way. Our Milky Way galaxy is in our universe. Now you will write the answer of my question. Why do we live on this earth? Okay, thank you children.